a rational numbers class. A rational number represents a fraction with an integer numerator and denominator. And this code will include methods to construct rational numbers, retrieve numerator challenges. So let's go ahead and get started with the code explanation. We will be going over this on Codiva, and then first off will be the class name, going very simple, rational number. And then this class has two private variables. So here we have it loaded up. Numerator and denominator both represent the numerator and denominator's rational numbers. The constructor public rational number and numerator and denominator initializes the instant variables numerator and denominator with the provided values. It also performs a check to ensure that the denominator is not zero, and if the denominator is zero, it throws an illegal argument exception to indicate an invalid rational number. The get numerator and the get denominator methods will return the numerator and the denominator, and then to string method returns the string representation of a rational number in the form of a numerator slash denominator. It includes also an additional check and operations to handle special cases. Firstly, it checks if the denominator is zero. If it is, it throws an illegal argument exception to prevent division by zero. And then it computes the greatest common divisor, the GCD, of the numerator and the denominator using the GCD method. It divides both the numerator and the denominator by the GCD to simplify the fraction. It also handles special cases where the numerator is negative but the denominator is positive, or vice versa, to ensure constant representation of negative fractions. Finally, it returns to the string representation. And the GCD numerator in the denominator method calculates the greatest common divisor, GCD, of two numerators using Euclidean algorithm. It is a recursive method that performs successive division until the remainder is zero. The GCD is the last non-zero remainder. And then the main string method is to enter the point of the program. It also prompts the user to enter the numerator and denominator of a rational number through the console, and then it also creates a new rational number, which will provide values and calls to the toString method to print the string representation of the rational number. And then so if we go ahead and run through this code on Codiva really quick, might take me, so it is now asking me for my numerator. I've been messing around with this. I'll go with 56, entering low and high values, and then yeah, let's go with two other digits. Apologies for my roommate's music. 65, 75 I believe, and then 65 just because we said it. And that concludes it for assignment